laid awake that night thinking about songbirds and why they sing, because I couldn't sleep. She told me they sing because they're happy, because they made it another day out in the wild. So in the morning when they wake up, they just sing. It doesn't matter if anyone's listening or not. And I really resonated with that. And so this song is a little bit about me and how I feel about music and how I feel about the music industry. And it's called Tennessee Songbird.